Pickled pearl onions. White or red, doesn't matter. It's really easy to make. Today we're making pickled pearl onions. It's very easy. The recipe for my pickled pearl onions is below in the comments section. So I've got my induction burner and a little pot, and I'm going to turn this on. I've got 2 cups of water, and I've got some red pearl onions. The last ones I did were white. They're all peeled, and if they aren't peeled, you can put them into boiling water and just take the skins off. So in that goes. And that's 8 ounces or 227 grams. And with my onions, I also like to put in some red onion, and I just cut it in half. Just 1 slice. And a clove of peeled garlic, just a whole clove. I'm going to bring this up to a boil, and I'm going to cook it for about 5 minutes. Okay, there you go. That's 5 minutes. It's been boiling for. And you can see that's softened the onions nicely. So I've got a draining bowl, a colander, and what I'm going to do is just pour this in and strain it. Simple as that. I'm going to put the pot back on, let that sit for a minute. And I've got a cup of water. And a cup of red wine vinegar. You can use white if you like, but I really like the red wine vinegar in my pickled pearl onions. In that goes. And I've got a ½ cup of powdered erythritol. You can use any sugar-free sweetener that you like. I've got some kosher salt and some pickling spice. And we're just going to bring that up to a boil. I'll put the lid back on. Now, we'll take a nice clean mason jar, and we're going to put our onions into it. Okay, for the last part of our pickled pearl onions, it's as simple as bringing our brine to a boil, and then we're just going to cover the onions with the brine. Works out perfectly. We just cap this up, just like that. It's very hot. Everything's submerged, looks really good. And this is going to cool on the counter, probably for, I'm going to say a couple of hours, and then I'll put it in the fridge, and you can start eating them right away if you like. These are my pickled pearl onions. Thanks for watching.